first thing we're gonna do is remove the doors from the machine by removing these 4 screws. Then repeat the steps for the opposite side. Once the doors are removed from the machine, you're gonna wanna grab your door, flip it over, and then remove the following hardware. This screw, these 2 screws, as well as this screw. Once all the hardware is removed, remove the latch assembly from the door. Then repeat the steps for the other door. Once you have both your latch assemblies out of each of your doors, make sure you lay the left out with the left and the right to the right, and then you can set your factory doors aside. So we have our new aluminum SuperATV door. This is gonna be the passenger side. So we're gonna grab our passenger side latch assembly. We're gonna go ahead and start installing it by using our M6 Allen headed hardware provided in the kit. Insert the latch assembly into the door and take your hardware, stick it through the hole and then thread it into the latch assembly. And you're gonna wanna get it lined up as center as you possibly can. Then go ahead and start tightening the hardware. Don't fully tighten the hardware yet because minor adjustments may be needed. The next step is gonna be to install the door to the machine. You're gonna wanna make sure that you line this portion and this portion up here with your hinges on your machine. Then use the provided M8 hardware to start the bolts through the holes in the door to the hinges. Once you have all the hardware started in the door, go ahead and close the door. Get it to latch. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna lift the door up to make sure that you have a little bit of a gap at the bottom, and then you're gonna wanna start tightening up your hardware. Before fully tightening the hardware, you wanna open and close the door. Make sure that it latches good. Do this a few times just to make sure. Looks like we're good to go, so we're gonna go through, tighten up all our hardware, and then we're gonna repeat all these steps for the opposite side. And that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's aluminum half doors on this Polaris RZR Turbo. For more information on these doors or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.